Welcome back. In the last video, we discussed how, in fact, an affiliate link could be overwritten by another affiliate. And in some cases, that affiliate will be WarriorPlus. When the customer comes to their checkout page to access their purchase inside of WarriorPlus, WarriorPlus will display other offers that you have available. When the buyer clicks this link and goes to the page to make the purchase, this sale will be credited to WarriorPlus. And if you go to check your affiliate sales, you can go to your vendor tab. You can then go to this link that says affiliates. You can then click on My Affiliate Stats. And in some cases, you will see that there will be an affiliate credited with certain numbers of statistics and certain number of sales. So you will be able to see the traffic coming from WarriorPlus to your offers. If you want to see the individual offer, where the traffic is coming to, you can sort this information here in this drop-down area. If you want to sort by time, you can do that here in this drop-down menu in the View Finder. Now the checkout page is just one source for WarriorPlus clicks to your offers as well as sales. However, it is a viable one for the customer to access your other products. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.